Yeah, I think I'll just take the stairs.
Bit late to the party, am I, guys? Babadoo, what is that at the surface of your ear? Daddy darling, fear no more. It is nothing but a wild nymph. Babadoo would exclude these words onto his comrade, myself, Sir Don, who would then respond with one special sound in order to get me off of him. Stay silent if you don't like to hear. Ticket horn. Thank you all for listening, and stay aware of Babadoo. You have been educated by the Don. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, welcome to my abode, everyone. Welcome.